Hello again, Daryl here. Another Mandela Effect Earth Changes update. A little bit of old and a little bit of new here. First of all, the old. I know sometime in the last week or so, on our way to somewhere else, we just zipped by Sri Lanka here somewhere real quickly. And I'm even quite sure that I mentioned that I suspected a land bridge would likely form across here just because of what was going on under the water. And a lot has changed since then. This light-colored stuff, there was just a little ridge of that stuff here, little peaks, and that's how I knew the bridge was coming. But now, by the way this is moving out, you gotta watch for new shore, new coastline to actually end up in here. And by the looks of this, see, it had a little shot off the little sandbar finger thing that it does before he fills it in here. But looks like definitely, for sure, this island will be no longer an island. She'll be part of mainland, what? Mainland India. Sri Lanka. Holy cow. And this is going to require a whole nother video, but we've got a whole schwack of brand new island chain coming in here. But the real reason we're here is two things. In here, we've learned from experience in the other videos, you see this color show up, and you see the land doing this, it's going to disappear. And for the one fella that was saying I was using trickery at how far out my zoom level was and stuff, I don't care what level you zoom into, bud, this shit here is going to be gone very soon. Mark my words. And probably all the way up to here. So anywho, same situation in here. What is this? Bangladesh? Yeah, Bangladesh, part of India. We're going to suffer some serious land loss in this whole area. As you can see, this stuff that looks like a river full of silt, that is. That's exactly what it is, and you're going to see that it's taken land. And sometimes it's as far up as in way up here. It's not anywhere as close to down here, but for sure down here is going to erode. May or may not leave island speckles, but now to the real point of this video is this is the third time now that I've had these areas show up outlined in red like this. I'm not sure what they are. I've used Google Earth spottily off and on over the years. I wasn't that impressed with it enough to keep on using it, but I never had this situation with these red borders show up. So if anybody could tell me if this is a normal thing on Google and what it means, I would really appreciate that, because see, as you can see, I try to zoom in on it and it doesn't do anything. I can't get no information on it. It doesn't cover a particular country necessarily. It's like it covers more like just zones or something. But yeah, if you could let me know, because I gotta get this figured out, because Thai uses a lot of different methods for communicating. And I've got to figure out if this is one of them, especially after the red X's on North America there 3 days ago. That was pretty freaky. Oh yeah, and that I just checked. I've been watching near all those X's, and there's a phenomenally large spot of water starting to appear in Manitoba, not that far from where those X's were, or where the 1X was. See, I wouldn't be surprised if this whole area here is gonna retreat a ways too. See, you can't tell until he starts doing whatever he's gonna do, for sure. But it may not necessarily be retreating. It might be coming out in those areas. Hard to say. Time will tell. But for sure, this area here is definitely really gonna bleed out big time. Wonder what we got for population areas here. Yeah, see, these freak me right out, man. These areas where there's people living here, I would so love to hear from any of you people that could share what you're seeing, what your realities are, because as you can tell, see, look at this, there was people. You still got the major parts connected here, but these people, they're not here anymore, man. This is a past reality. This stuff is on its way out. That was so yesterday. Wow. I don't know about you guys, but this stuff just doesn't get old. It's so phenomenal watching our world morph like this around us and under us. See, look at all this land rolling out here. We've got the salt thing going on under here, I'm pretty sure. And he told me and wifey a couple years ago there was a point coming where he'd have to do a little salt cleanse on everything. And we thought we're all going to be underwater somehow, but apparently, I don't know, he just does whatever he needs to do, wherever, puts what he needs wherever. Not sure what's going on in here, but if it won't let us focus, these guys are in trouble. And it won't. Yeah, see? See, as I said, Ty's just teaching me how to look for what, so he can show me what he's doing ahead of time even, too. But this will be a good tester for us. I kind of suspect that a lot of this in here is going to melt away on us. Wow. I hope I'm right. Just so that I know I got the lesson right here. Yeah, wow. Okay. We'll find out. Anyways, that really, yeah, that's, please let me know, anybody, about the red order things here that, oh man, oh there it is. Okay, I thought they weren't going to show up now for us. But yeah, I gotta know if those are a Google thing or a Thai thing. Thank you guys. Have a good one.